In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pre-filled link in Google Forms. This can be a useful tool for streamlining data input by crafting a form that already has some fields filled out, saving time for users and helping to ensure accuracy. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to Google Drive. This is your central hub for all things Google, from documents to forms. Once you're there, look for the Apps section, which is normally located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Apps will give you access to all the tools Google offers. Among these tools, you'll see Google Forms. Click on Forms to proceed. Now that you're in Google Forms, you'll need to choose which form you want to work with. If you haven't created a form yet, you can make a new one by clicking on the plus icon. However, if you're working with an existing one, find it in your list of forms and click to open it. With your chosen form open, you'll notice three vertical dots in the top right corner, often referred to as the More or Options menu. Click on those dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. One of these options is Pre-fill Form. Select that option to move forward. The form will now enter a mode where you can pre-fill any fields you want with sample data. This is a great way to set standard responses or guide the user through the form with pre-made selections. Take your time to fill in any fields you want pre-populated. Once you're satisfied with the pre-filled information, scroll down the page and you'll see a button labeled Get Link. Clicking on this will generate a unique URL that retains all your pre-filled data. Pretty neat, right? After clicking Get Link, you'll see an option to copy link. Clicking on this will place the link on your clipboard, ready to be shared. For peace of mind, it's always a good idea to test the link you've created. Open a new tab in your web browser and paste the link you just copied. This allows you to see exactly what your intended audience will experience when they visit the link. Make sure all the pre-filled information appears as you intended, and there you have it. Creating a pre-filled link in Google Forms is a simple yet powerful technique that can greatly enhance the user experience by guiding them through a form with pre-filled data. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or managing registrations, pre-filled links help streamline the process. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.